Yo, welcome back to Memes and Movers. I'm your host, Trader Prad. This is the beautiful Miss V to my right side.
Thank you, Prad. Hey guys, welcome back everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Let's continue trading. This is an exciting day. Be active on the chat, ask us anything, and for sure, don't forget to like this video. All right, Prad, how's your trading day going?
Yeah, not bad so far. You know, taking a shots here and there anywhere I see opportunities. How about yourself, Valeriia?
Good, not really busy. I was shorting Tesla in pre-market and now looking for some new levels. Affirm was going also, was looking at that name. So let's dive in.
Yeah, for sure. You brought up Affirm, so let's quickly start off the day with that. We can start it off with showing you what my idea was on the executions. And if you are, following me on Twitter, I'm pretty sure Nightbot posts the links every 15 minutes or so for all of our Twitters. So on that, you'll see how I posted how I missed the long off the bottoms over here, the bottom picking. So I had the order pretty close to this candle right off the open around here, and I missed that entry by about just a second. I threw the order. I believe it was on 130.19, and the stock was exactly at 130.19, but a second later, it just started going up slowly, and the volume started picking up, and the velocity of the tape started increasing, and that's when I told myself, hey, Prad, this is where you need to start being aggressive, not being passive. If you really want this trade, if you really believe in it, you know the risk to reward on it, just punch it, be aggressive, and I didn't. The stock, I saw the stock go multiple dollars in my direction of the trade. So then I figured, hey, let's think about a short entry around yesterday's high, which was around 138.88 or something around that, which was yesterday's high. So I was like, all right, let's try to get short before that. And I missed that entry too around here. So this is the first short that I tried to get around 138.88, and it started turning around before that. So and I missed that one too. But luckily, I stayed patient. I stayed, with my plan. I played it out how I visioned it. But then later on, the 140 break happened, and then I had to take a little bit of loser on that too. But then, right away, this is the trade that we always talk about. When the stock goes through a significant level and does not hold it on the bids and comes back through it, that's where you punch back short. So as you guys can see, these are like basically me piling into the short on the way as the stock goes towards 140. But then as 140 breaks, I punch out of the stock for a loser. But then when it comes back through 140, Gay Bear, did you click that?
Yeah.
Like, but when it comes back through 140, that's when I realized, look, it's not holding 140. The weakness is clearly obvious. It's showing to you in our face. Punch back in. So I just went right back into that trade and turned that little bit loser that I had on this pile in over here into a bigger winner than the original loser. So here we go on Affirm. That was my trade today overall. Valeriia, did you want to talk about Tesla?
Absolutely, Brad. I'll show you guys my trade on Tesla today. I was shorting Tesla in pre-market. I believe it's my first trade only in the pre-market. Usually I prolong it into the opening. So yes, it was a very nice short trade. As Prad and Neil and Sean were teaching me, I tried to split my exit out of short trade so I can be in a trade longer. I could hold longer, but anyways, I think it's a good exit. And idea behind that was that if we take a look at a higher time frame chart, I was trying to fill the gap between closing price and opening price and in the pre-market. So that's why I was assuming that short will go to the downside. Fred.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, overall, the market is up, but, Tesla it's kind of not doing the crazy upside moves that we've seen it do when the market was down. So I like the overall idea you had there. Good execution. Good job, V Money. I like that. Maybe we should start calling her that, V Money.
All right, if I have a bank, it's going to be V Money.
Yeah, I like
Good
that.
idea.
I like that. V Money. Hi, Prad. Man, you put me off on buying BBIG yesterday, but I still love you, bro. I mean, look at it today. If you FOMO bought BBIG over here at the tops today, you would have seen the down move, a violent down move, and that's the same thing I tweeted too. I tweeted the first thing. Actually, my first tweet of the day was, For those of you who want to quote BBIG, cost to borrows and everything else at me, just keep in mind that these are the facts. The facts are it costs about 79 cents for every 100 shares for us to short the stock today. And that's not a lot, especially for someone who wants to go short on this stock after a 20% up move on almost no news. Well, I guess there was some news on BBIG, but clearly not significant enough to put it on our watch list. So if it's not there, I'm gonna say it's not too big of a news for allowing it to make this move that it did today. And obviously, look what we are. We're coming back down towards that $5, not able to hold 6 on the bids. If 6 does not get hold on the bids, I don't want people to get trapped in it. That's my only opinion and the reasoning why I may have put you against it. And sorry for not allowing you to make the money that you wanted. But the end of the day, it's trying to protect people from getting trapped on the position, because people could have easily gone long here on the tops in pre-market thinking, oh my gosh, no, we're back into the ranges where we can get that pop to the top side. And I just felt like I had to warn people. Ortex numbers are being quoted like left and right and top and bottom, every direction possible, but people don't know exactly what they're talking about when they're doing that. So as I said, 79 cents for every 100 shares for us to short this stock. Not a lot. People can buy 4,000 shares of the stock and just short it and make the money today, and I'm sure people have. So be careful when you're going long, and especially when you're quoting numbers off Ortex. AMC just broke high a day. Okay, let's go check AMC's high a day here. Indeed, look at AMC going back towards that $40 or so, and we like seeing AMC do this. I did say expect a little bit more red days and we go towards 35, but obviously I was wrong, and I did say I like being wrong, because most of the time when I'm thinking about stocks, I'm thinking in a bearish side. I have a very I think this is where Valeriia, or even I can hit it. Is it called Prad Bear?
Yes.
This is where my thinking hat goes on, and I'm just thinking about negativity on every stock. Maybe it comes from my previous job as a QA analyst, software tester. I have to think about everything negative that can happen with the software. So when I come into trading, I just think about everything negative first before the positive, and then I look for the positive. In terms of that, AMC, we need that 40 first, and we need to hold above 40 for a long time. Stop shorting AMC. Well, clearly no one's shorting it today, man. Look at the move, that break above 38 all the way to 38.40 or so, or 38.40, 3 cents shy of that. So let's go. Software tester. Wow, I never knew he was a rocket. I'm not a rocket scientist. Yeah, Valeriia?
Prad, can we take a look at Alibaba? Stock is up more than 9%, and Chinese stocks are trading higher as a group in general. Why? What was that?
Chinese
you
stocks.
don't like Chinese stocks?
No,
all right.
No, but we'll talk about it. No, we have to talk about it. Baba is on our watch list, I believe, and it is. Yeah. I'm not a fan of Chinese stocks as an investor, but if you want to talk about it as a day trading aspect, wow, Baba with the absolute crazy monstrous move back to the top side here, 9% move, and look at the even dollar break. So let me just hit the zoom in button here. That way the chart looks a little bit cleaner on the intraday scale at least. And look at the even dollar breaks. The 152 break, you never really had to look back after you took that entry. Happened to be somewhat of a pre-market high, happened to be the 5-minute opening range high, also happens to be the 15-minute opening range break. So here's a trading idea for those of you who are just getting started with trading. These opening range breaks don't really work 100% of the time, and the risk to reward is the kind of bad compared to if you're front running size or so. But opening range breaks is a decent strategy for someone who's trying to learn, and you can back test this too. Wait for the first 15 minutes and play the breakout of that range to the downside or the top side. That's the opening range 15-minute. You can do that on the 5-minute. You can do that on the 10-minute. And if you did that today, Baba, man, you got almost multiple dollars, maybe $7 to $10 in the money if you played that breakout. What is optimistic top for CEI today? The same tops that it's been dealing with after the halt. So let's quickly scroll back here to the halt day, which was, I believe, 2 days ago. Yeah, so we're looking at that 150s, 140s halt price. The stock did bounce off of 141 today. We did see. Wait, no, I'm thinking about a different 340. I think I'm thinking about the number, but clearly 140, 141 area is a contention point today, and we need to break above that to go test the previous halt prices. And see how we play around those prices, how the psychology and the behavior of the buyers and the sellers act around those prices. So right now, we have a 10-cent range between 130 and 140. Chinese stocks up due to optimistic over presidential meeting between Biden and Xi. CCP meeting, I like it. Prad, what's the level for Tilray? TLRY. Tilray had earnings today, so oddly enough, I was wrong on the Tilray earnings. I think Valeriia had said it was yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, you said it was today. Yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, so Valeriia was right. I think she got it off of Earnings Whisper. So guys, always make sure you use multiple resources. I usually do multiple resources. Yesterday, for some reason, just because I had to be quick, I only used TradingView, and TradingView said 7 days from now.
So I think it's a great advice. Actually, I use 3 sources. It's TradingView, it's Icon, and it's Earnings Whispers.
Yeah.
So when on 2 websites it says this date, so then
see, that's exactly it. You gotta use multiple resources, not just for earnings, even for short float, right? I don't use just Trade Ideas or just Finviz or just Ortex. I try to use multiple sources, and then I'll try to average the number and put it in the middle. V Money is genius.
Oh my
yes,
god,
she is.
Jimmy Neutron.
Genitron. Is that what you said?
Yeah, you know the cartoon?
No.
Okay.
Is it a Russian cartoon?
No, it's a Nickelodeon.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never heard of Genitron. Maybe it's a newer one. QQQs are falling indeed. Yeah, whoever called it out, they're coming down a little bit here. For Tilray, let me just show you what I'm seeing is on the resistance points. We are breaking all the resistance points for the intraday levels and trading higher. For other levels overall, I'm gonna have to take for a little bit longer look on Tilray for yearly levels or so. But right now, as you guys can see, there's one right there at $12 or so. Maybe we don't have that move towards that price today. Maybe over the coming week or maybe in the next month, or not next month, next week. V Money, I love it. Yeah, I love it too.
I love you all guys too, but real quick, Prad, for you, Jimmy Neutron.
I remember that.
Yes, it's that one.
Oh, Genie. Oh, I thought you said Genie Neutron. I was like, what
Jimmy,
is Genie? Jimmy Neutron. I remember this. The guy with the big forehead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember Jimmy Neutron.
I have a big forehead kind of also. So.
No, you don't. CEI over here breaking above that 140 and now going higher. So look at the bids over here at the moment. That inverse gateway loading up above 142, trying to go higher. Volume coming in, biggest volume spike for almost the whole day compared to the open. So that volume is actually significant enough to the top side here. Let's see how significant is it going to be and where it's going to start getting rejected off of. So we're running up to the top side here. I'm seeing a lot of green prints. And the bids are stepping up as the price keeps getting taken out to the top side. CEI looks like we're going almost back to that 150 or so on the top side over here. CEI, let me see if we can see a level. I see 150. It says 150 exactly as the third resistance point. So why does my chart do this? So as you guys can see right here, CEI says 150 and 35. For the resistance to the top side. So let's see how it behaves around there. CEI to the moon. Let's go. What do you think about Ford about to drop? Overall, I'm pretty bullish on any car company that's already established in the market and has a pretty big market share. So overall, I'm bullish on Ford, especially if they're getting into the EV space. But for today, are they going to come down? Looks like it's forming a pretty decent support here. And even if it comes down, I'm going to doubt how far is it going to really go down. Maybe to 14.8 because of that first bounce. So the first reject that I had to 14.80 and it made a new high. So I'm going to really wonder how much lower is it going to go from there.
But Rocket Lab is another. Did you talk about Rocket Lab yet?
No.
Another great name today on a good news about new NASA contract. I believe it's up, but now going slightly to the downside. So let's take a look.
Yeah, for sure. Rocket Lab. Oh, yeah, a little bit of a downside here after getting that contract that Miss V was just talking about with you guys. Also on our watch list. So
Yep.
if you're not on our watch list, you're missing out. Miss V can help you guys out with that link in about a minute or so. Every morning that watch list is being handed out, and RKLB is on there, and we're going lower here, testing that pre-market, or not pre-market, but the bottoms we created off the open. If we can find support on these bottoms we created off the open, maybe we get that move back towards VWAP and trade in that area or so. But right now, trying to get rejected by 15 on the way down here.
Thank you, Prad. And we have a super chat from our good friend Dominic Famular, our super chat king. Dominic saying that CEI, there is nothing but a climb after 1.52 all the way up to 2.5-ish. I'm all the way up. Is it that song?
Yeah.
And even Neil says that, yes, CEI broke high of the day. So, yeah, CEI obviously on fire for these days.
Yeah, CEI did break high day around 141 and made a 4-cent run up to the top side, but now we're seeing that move back down towards 140. Let's see if we can hold this price and make that run back up towards 150 as our best, or not best, I should say, but our number one supporter, Dominic, wants it to go above 151 or so, or 152 over here. So let's do that for him, guys. Let's run up CEI. Rejected at 150-ish. Yeah, it got rejected right now at 144. So we still have some more room towards 150. And the number that people are looking for, I guess, is 152. Grom, small flow. Where did the comment go? Small flow halts a lot. Let me see if it is. I'm going to have to pull up trade ideas. GROM. 10 million. So, yeah, not the biggest. Let me see if it's halting today. Is that a halt downwards, or my chart is just not loaded? I'm guessing this didn't halt today, but we have seen the stock halt all over the place, and as you guys can see right here, this was yesterday halting on the upside, halting on the downside, and then eventually finding its way back up towards the top side where it halted and traded in that range. And now we're seeing this the pattern play out where it opened up almost in the halt range for to trade in today, and it's trending towards the highs that it ended in yesterday. And created a new high for overall. So not sure what the ceiling could be, but the momentum is clearly to the top side on a low float. Let me go see what the institutional ownership is on this stock real quick with you guys. On Finviz. So Finviz, what stock are we looking at again? Grom. So Grom, GROM. Institutional ownership is okay, almost nothing. Oh, there you go. Sorry, negative 69%. What does that mean? I've never seen a negative percentage. So I've never seen a negative percentage for institution ownership. Oh, that's institutional transactions. Never mind. Institutional ownership. Okay, yeah, okay, that makes sense. I was just looking at the wrong number and I was completely confused. Anyways, SPYs are dropping here apparently, and they are. SPYs are going towards VWAP at the moment and might look for a bounce, but even then, the market overall, yeah, that means they're selling. I saw the transactions and I realized that means selling, but the ownership, I was like, what? That made no sense. Ownership is 0.7 though. So the 0.7% of institution that owns the stocks, if they're just selling apparently. Anyways, I love hearing the guys in the background.
No,
oh, you guys
you're not supposed to, but
yeah, you guys can hear them. Wow.
Talking about guys in the background, let's talk about Palantir. It's up more than 1%, but looks like a little bit going to the downside.
Yeah, Palantir, man, still above that 23 price and getting rejected by 24 still. Yeah, we got a breakout above 24, maybe a 13-cent breakout. But if you guys noticed, yesterday we got the rejection of 24 that I tried to go long of and got beat up a little bit. I don't know why some days the candles show up and some days they don't. So yesterday's candles, if they would show up, you guys would have seen a couple longs off of 24 that worked, and then the rest of the longs just didn't work all day for me. But if you notice how the stock holds up above 23 for multiple days, not yesterday, but multiple days before that, same idea plays out. If you go to 23 or 23.50, look for that long bounce. The stock opened up around what, 23.71. We got that dip all the way down to 23.50. You could bought that dip, got a 50-cent run all the way up to 24. We got that fail break of 24 to the top side, and now we're coming back down. So if we go back to 24, you can get a nice little scalp short from 24. If we go back to 23.55 or 23.50, you got a nice scalp long. If you break 23.50 to the downside, if it goes down to 23, you get a nice scalp long from 23. So we have good levels to play Palantir on and make tons of money on it. So it just trigger. You just got to pull the trigger now.
Snapchat is on fire.
Wrong button.
Oh, no, we want just you. All right. Yeah, so Snapchat is on fire also, Prad. Also, there are news on Snapchat that is going to launch an in-app tool to educate users on the danger of drug-related keywords. So let's take a look into Snapchat.
Drug-related keywords?
Yes, it will educate users that danger about
that makes sense. I was wondering what that meant for a second. Okay, Snapchat, on good news, finally allowing it to go back into the previous ranges that we wanted to, and now it's testing the ranges high over here. Yeah, we got this up top over here above 80, but let's go see Snapchat trend its way back towards that $80 and get that break and hold 80 on the bids with some good news. Maybe we can keep going higher. And I always say, not always, but I always thought that Snapchat was kind of like the next Facebook in terms that it's gonna die, but I keep getting proven wrong every day while seeing the younger generation, which is Lucas and even children on the buses, on the public transits, on the TTC and so on. TTC is just a public transit, stands for Toronto Transport Commission or something. Anyways. The public transport, just seeing all the kids sitting on Snapchat all day is just goes to show how wrong I was about Snapchat and its uses overall. And here we go. That just goes to show why Snapchat deserves to be in the ranges it is, man. It's not, partnerships too. I think they had a partnership where you could have augmented reality clothes being put onto yourself just by having your phone on you or so, and you wouldn't have to really go into a store to buy clothes like for COVID time. So with deals like that, and if they keep coming out with new software and keep increasing their augmented reality portfolio, and who knows what more is in store for Snapchat. Just I think there's a lot of brightness in the upside for future.
I believe Insta stories they came after Snapchat. So I think Snapchat
right.
was first.
I think you're
and
right.
They had all cool different effects you can put on your photo.
Right.
Different stickers, and Instagram stole it.
You're 100% right. Yeah, I actually forgot about that. You're not wrong at all. Instead of social media, what Jen is that? Hey man, pretty sure they do on Tinder a lot more than you would think. So
Jen Tyron,
CEI. CEI still, struggling to break above this 145 level and go towards that 152. So let's see if that can happen. We're seeing volume still exist after that big volume candle and allowing it to go to the top side. So I'm seeing levels get taken out on the offers here, and maybe we can get that move. Oh, look at the size on 45 just increased. I don't know if you guys witnessed that, but the size on 145 just increased drastically, and almost no size was being printed on the 45s. But here we go. Now we're seeing the volume pick back up, and they're just taking out levels. 46 got taken now. 47 is being tested. Some size on 47, but we're seeing a lot more 47 prints than 46. So expect that trend to happen. Here we go. There it is. Bids are stepping up, and offers are getting hit a little bit. Is that an iceberg? No, that's not an iceberg. He's getting taken out. So that MEMEX order is about to get taken out very soon, and the stock might just go to that 150 that people wanted to. I guess that short report is not affecting the stock to the downside as people wanted to, or at least the short sellers wanted to. Don't chase, no FOMO. Yeah, that's why my hands are behind my back right now, because I almost punched an order, and I don't want to FOMO an entry, especially when I have no plan on the stock. Maybe 152 short could be an idea, or even 150 short, but I would rather wait to see what the momentum on the stock looks like. Clearly, look at the strength on the buying side right now. It's just eating out all the levels to the top side. There is a little bit of the barrier right there at 147. Inverse gateway just came on with the decent size, almost 200,000 shares, I believe, just sitting there. Maybe 200,000 or 20K. Maybe I did the math wrong there.
Hey, Prad, can we take a look at charge point? Stock is up more than 5% today. CHPT.
CHPT on New York. Yeah, for sure. CHPT up 5%. Monstrous move to the top side. We did get a little bit of a dip right off the open, breaking off 18 to the downside and going almost as low as 1780, and then just rocking all the way back towards the highs over here where the stock is at, almost at $19 or so. And you see that crazy move towards the top side, even the breakout of pre-market highs. So maybe you would have been scared to get long on the dip buy over here. Maybe you would have been long to get long anywhere on the move up over here or on the 18 break, because it's around VWAP. But if you guys take the pre-market break, right around here or so, or even here, if you took it over here, maybe you would have been scared for a little bit on the down move, but it depends on where you take it. Overall, that pre-market high break strategy, hindsight is 2020, yes, but that pre-market break high strategy looked like a clean upside move on CHPT today. I've been in CHPT since the $5 range. All right, let's go. $18, 5 to 18, like it's nothing.
Brad, someone brought Netflix. It's slightly down. And also I wanted to ask you, I don't know if you mentioned it, but did you watch Squid Game yet?
Yeah, I finished the Squid Game. Yeah,
really cool. Did you like it? Because everyone talking about this, all these memes.
Squid Game was a great show, and I suggest everyone should watch it. Absolutely phenomenal show, but I am not happy with all the memes that are going around with it, especially with the whole dubbing meme and how the Asian dubbing to English is so bad, and the mouths keep moving, and the translation is like, I'm hurt, and the guy mouth goes blah 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 for like 5 minutes. I hate that meme going on, because guys, if you're watching it in English dub, you are not doing yourself justice. Trust me, you're not doing yourself justice. Coming from someone who watches anime, and I started watching anime English dub first, and then I realized how stupid that was, and then moving over to English sub and watching it in actually the language that you're supposed to, that it was made in. Always watch it in the intended language, and then transfer over to the subtitles. Never watch it in English dub. You are doing yourself so much disservice doing that way. You're just not gonna have the most fun at watching it. It just ruins the fun for me. CEI halted. Wow, no, it did not. What are you talking about? Gotta give the show a like for Trader Prad's weebness. All right, Craig, I see you over there. Prad is the #1 in Squid Game. Oh yeah, I'm the actually. Oh, maybe I should not ruin the spoiler.
No spoiler.
I'll keep quiet.
Yeah.
I'll keep quiet. Dragon Ball Z. Oddly enough, I haven't seen Dragon Ball Z, so here comes the weeb attack on me. People are gonna completely kill me now for saying that. But yeah, Netflix, I think, is what Valeriia made me pull up before someone falsely said CEI is halted. Netflix is, still a crazy stock. Last night I fell asleep watching the Dave Chappelle's stand-up, so I kind of missed out on that. Granted, I am playing games all night. I don't have time to watch the stand-up, but I have to. I need to finish watching it. It is Dave Chappelle, one of my favorite comedians ever. And Netflix, down day, not really a down day. Still, kind of flat in my eyes based on how Netflix has been moving so far. As long as Netflix is above 600, I think we are still in a great place for overall of shareholders' mindset for Netflix. So as long as we're here, we're good. Any other shows to recommend? I don't know if what's it called? it's not a show, but a Korean movie called Parasite. If it's not on Netflix, you guys need to go find to watch it. You're gonna have an absolute blast watching that movie, Parasite. Death Note, yeah, Death Note is a great anime for sure. Got about one half of the way for special. Yeah, I got halfway, and I fell asleep. My eyes were I was up till 2 a.m., dude. I had to. Westworld on HBO. Oh, HBO is just a whole different ball game. MP on New York. All right, MP on New York. Come on, charts. There we go. 17% up today with almost 5 million shares traded. We do see volume tapering off over here. As you guys can see, the volume did ramp up after the open, which caused it to go to the upside over here, causing it to hold above VWAP multiple times and find support in ranges. But now that the volume is disappearing a little bit, going into lunchtime, and we're creating lower highs and higher lows. So kind of the wedge pattern that people like seeing, which gives a pretty decent breakout for those of you who are interested. So AMPI, nice little wedge pattern forming from what I see. All my weebs are out in full force today. What is Yu Yu Hakusho? What is going on? You guys are bringing out anime names that I don't even know about. Animal Kingdom on AMC. Oh, we're talking about shows now. All right. Valeriia, you have any stocks that you want to bring up?
Absolutely. What about your favorite Chinese stock, FAMI? It's down, I believe, but well, Chinese stocks as a group are up today. So what's up with FAMI?
Let's do it. So, penny stock not doing 100 million before lunch, boring. 40 it's still getting rejected by 40 cents, and that 40-cent bottom was talked about by Sean even on Memes and Movers. He came by, he gave you guys the little level. He said, hey guys, keep an eye out for this level, watch what happens. If it breaks, it could get a little drastical for us, and it's still getting rejected by that same level, and as long as we're not above it, I'm gonna doubt we don't see the 100 million shares or even the 1 billion shares, that 1 billion million. I kind of feel like the African president who did the listen to me, listen properly. But yeah, if we're not getting that amount of volume, I don't really see what's going on.
Prad, can we take a look at Moderna and
yes,
also
that's a good call.
And also Big Rock Base screaming at us and asking what's for lunch. Well, for lunch is Greek style chicken with vegetable rice pilaf.
Just rice.
Pilaf,
Eris.
rice. All right.
Eris.
Рис.
Now, how do you say Greek style?
Греческая курица.
Greek. Oh, no, I know kuritsa, but how do you say Greek style?
В греческом стиле.
What? Okay, slow it down, Valeriia.
It's 3 words. Let's say just греческая.
Yeah, греческая.
Курица.
Греческая курица и рис.
Yeah,
Let's go.
You're doing great. Wait a minute.
I need one more time.
Греческая курица.
No, just the Greek.
Греческая.
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 Yeah.
Греческая курица и рис.
Let's go.
Греческая.
Easy
All right.
Russian with Valeriia and
All right.
Moderna.
We need that. You know how news channels have that intro? Toon, 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 toon.
Yeah.
We need one of those that says, now.
Yeah.
Segment lunchtime Russian with Valeriia.
Easy Russian with
we
Valeriia
need that.
and
Rob,
Prad.
get onto it. Rob, chop, chop.
Go long on go long on Rob.
Yeah.
We're always long on Prad.
Miss V, do you like pachette? What is a pachette?
I'm trying to see. Where is that?
Big Rock Bay asked Miss V, do you like pachette? Prad better be smashing the like. I always like, a little secret. I go home and I use all my accounts to hit the like button. So maybe you guys should do that too. Help us out, man. And, a little spiel while Valeriia looks at what pachetta is. I'll take her job for a second. It is like o'clock, guys. It is that time of the day where we ask you for your help. It's a free show. We do everything that we can to drop knowledge, advice, and help for you guys. Look at levels. And all we ask in return is to help us out with the YouTube algorithm. And you can do that so by smashing the like button, by hitting the thumbs up button, by hitting the little notification bell. if you haven't subscribed yet, that 20% who haven't yet subscribed to us, help us out by smashing the subscribe button. We post educational content every day at the end of 4 o'clock, even on weekends. Sean, Neil, Brendan post educational content all the time, and you will get notified by that by hitting that little notification bell. So ring that notification bell, smash that like button, drop some comments, and help us out with the YouTube algorithm.
Great job there. Let's see where we are at now. We broke 300 likes. Great job, Prad.
We usually do a lot better when you do it.
No, that's not true.
When you do it, we hit 600 within a minute.
Well, the circle to get 700 again. Make likes great again, guys, please. And a big rock bay. I don't know what pachat is. Maybe you was meaning pashtet. And if it was pashtet, I like pashtet. I haven't eaten it in ages.
What is that?
Pashtet, it's like... It's hard to say, but it's like pasta. Like, I'll Google for you.
Okay. Is it this swirly pasta?
Well, like you put it like it's something like meat.
Okay, you Google it. Google. We'll show it to the chat so everyone knows. So it was just not you and I talking to each other. We'll show it to everyone. In the meantime, Valeriia made a beautiful call out on what stock to talk about, and that is Moderna. Moderna, man, I thought we were going to be under 300 and I was going to be so happy. I was going to talk about how Moderna sucks. Well, no, I'm joking. I was going to talk about how, Moderna is so overly expensive. It does not belong in the 400s. We're finally under 300. We deserve to be here, especially with Pfizer, coming out with the whole pushing the FDA to go get the approval for the children's vaccine to be pushed out, and how the children's vaccine could come out as soon as the next week or so. And I was like, whoa, if all this is coming out, and then we have the Merck's pill news going on that dropped Moderna a little bit, maybe Moderna goes below 300 here and stays below 300 for good. But no, man, Moderna went below 300 in pre-market and just rocked off the open all the way to the top side above 300. So, I'm going to guess we are going below 300 next week or in this month. I'm going to guess that. For once, I'm gonna try and predict something, which I try not to do. So if it goes there, that means the market, in my mind, does not see Moderna on the upside anymore as they have been, right? So keep an eye out for how the stock behaves around this 300 price and the 320. 320 clear resistance, 300 support apparently, but I want that support to be gone. Break it and just go lower. It doesn't make sense for it to be this high. But yeah.
Hey Prad, great news. We have a new member, Sam Yin. Sorry guys, I'm bad at last names. Welcome to the green side and to trading family. We appreciate your support a lot, and I hope you're having a green profitable day.
Are you gonna show that?
Absolutely.
I thought you were gonna show that.
Alrighty, guys. This, oh wow, can it be smaller? This is pashtet, and basically this is
hummus.
A paste, pie, or loaf filled with force meat.
It kind of looks like hummus.
Yeah,
so
kind of. Yeah, someone was writing that on the chat. Exactly.
Is that paste made off of meat?
Yeah, something like that.
Is hummus made out of meat?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Oh no, hummus is made out of soy, I think.
Yeah, because it's vegetarian.
Yeah. Okay. So this paste is made out of meat.
Yeah.
Does it taste like meat?
Yeah.
A meat paste. Wow.
It's interesting. I'll try to get one for you.
A meat
I want
paste.
you to try.
That's pretty
it's
strange.
Nothing like Vegemite, though.
As long as it doesn't smell like it or taste like it, I'll have it. Sure. That's not Vegemite, thank God. Yeah, exactly. Hummus is made from chickpeas. Still, sorry, not even soy. My bad. Yeah, chickpeas. There you go. I love hummus. This guy has to go out there and put it like that way. Hummus. Trader Prad tastes like chicken. You've not tasted me. Not taste like chicken. Okay. I'm like, you've not tasted me. How do you know what I taste like? Chickpeas is hummus. Yes. We get it, chat. I messed up. My bad.
Oh yeah.
All right. Much better. Let's go into what stock did you say after Moderna?
I don't believe I said any price.
All right, in that case, let's go look at the top volume stocks of the day. So CEI is still back on that list, and we've been seeing CEI on this list multiple days in a row. And I'm just looking at Grom right now over here being the relative volume leader for the time being, and Tilray at number 2. But anyways, back to this list: CEI, BBIG, and Ford being the top 3 of the volume leaders today at 250 or 290 million shares, 58 million shares for BBIG, and Ford at 47 million. Let's go to BBIG. I was talking about earlier how I don't want people to get trapped on just off of the long over here, and I hope people didn't, because $6 did not hold off the open. We ran up above 6 in pre-market, and off the open when we tried to hold 6, we did not hold 6. So BBIG still doing a whole lot of nothing in my opinion. We need buyers to really come in and hold the dollar levels on every single dollar to the top side. One single news article that came out yesterday should be significant enough to hold the $6 level if we're gonna go break out above it. But the fact that we're not, I know, man, my mouth is watering. I'm getting hungry too with all this food talk. So, but anyways, the fact that that news article came out and we broke out above 6 and not held it above 6, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. It's just not. Affirm. Oh no, that was my short. So I wanted to hold my smallest position as I can, because I'm trying to get into this habit of holding some size for the bigger move. I have this really bad habit where if the stock even starts returning a little bit and starts taking away the money that I have on me, I just pull away my shares. And as you guys can see, I just took away my exit. I could have maybe gone back in the short and built a position for that short throughout the day. But here we go. Affirm coming back down to the bottom over here. Let's see if we can find support at the 130s like we did off the open. That way I could get long again. People shorting BBIG, indeed. I have my puts still. I'm guessing you're talking about. Really appreciate how much we were talking about stocks today versus talking about non-stock stuff, learning much today. Well, thank you, I guess. All right. Affirm over here coming back down and breaking that 135, trading under VWAP. So a lot of weakness coming in, and actually the volume candles are getting higher and higher for the downwards move. So not looking good to the top side. I thought today's the day we get them move towards all-time highs. So if you guys remember the number I said, it was what am I typing? AFRM. It was around 146.60. Let's see if Prad's memory serves him right. No, it's 146.90. 30 cents off of what I said. I need a good long to go into tomorrow. The good long to go into tomorrow. So let's go see what stock has been beaten down today, and if any of those stocks have not enough of a significant news to go down. So I'm going to see any is down about, 3%, 4% on SQQQ, SDS, iTub. Looks like a lot of the market overall has trended to the top side here. But let's see what any is doing today, and if that can give you an opportunity to scalp along for tomorrow, or if it's even possible. So it looks like any right now is still in the top side of the range, and wants to hold above 650, but maybe we get a little bit of a red day tomorrow, maybe down towards $6, and then you can get that dip buy opportunity. But I tried giving a swing trade opportunity here, but right now looks like most of these swing trades will either go higher from obviously, or stay here from market moves or so.
What about crypto, Prad? Are you enjoying your Cardano? Well, Bitcoin now at 54,000. It just fell a little bit from 55, I believe. Well, this chart looks, thanks to Google, a little bit weird. But yes, guys, really nice. I'm super happy about this. And I'm just literally sad that I didn't buy more. When you remember when we were talking, it was falling. I knew that it's gonna go back to the upside, but something was holding me back from it.
I know, me too, Valeriia, me too. Me and Lucas actually were outside on our vape break.
Lucas has the whole Bitcoin.
Shh, don't say that. I don't think he wants people to know that.
I'm not gonna tell Lucas's address. Maybe he has more.
Lucas is a rich guy.
I mean,
man.
it's great.
Lucas is a rich
Imagine.
guy. He has a lot of money sitting in that Bitcoin.
Maybe he has more now, though. I have no idea. But like, he has more, like, whole Bitcoin. Imagine you have the whole Bitcoin and it's now 54,000.
Yeah,
he's rich. We need to,
Lucas is
keep
one
an eye
of
on
our
him.
camera guys, also the technical producer along with Rob. I guess the technical producer is the term that I'm looking for. What app does he use?
Why?
So he can hack. So Tyrone Bigham can hack the app and steal it.
Tyron.
Well,
I can tell you though.
Damn, I mean, dude, I don't have a full coin. I have maybe $50 worth of Bitcoin. It's nothing.
$50?
Yeah, a full coin is a lot more than $50.
It is a lot.
It's a lot more than $50. I'll tell you that. All right, but anyways, Valeriia, a good point in bringing up Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin has been going crazy, and let's just pull it up over here on the trading view. BTC USD. Let's go to the whole 1 year. Actually, let's just go to last 5 days. And this is the previous 5 days. You know, today we are seeing a little bit of a red day, but look how the overall trend has been to the top side. I don't remember what day it was that the Chinese news dropped, so let's see if we can pull back a bit, maybe around these ranges. So the CCP comes out and says, hey yo, we're about to block everything. It comes down and they probably bought the dip and then it ran back up. So here we go, man. Bitcoin back in these beautiful ranges above 50k. CEI about to break 150. Let's go CEI. We are at 150 right now. Let's see if we can go to that 150/152, or this is where the rejection starts happening maybe. Neil, did you want to talk about CEI? All right, we'll bring up Neil.
Apologies, guys. I'm just eating my salad right now. You don't win friends with salad, and you don't make any friends if you miss breakout trades. So you know we had the 128. This is not going to age very well. The 128 long, which I still have some of, but the other idea was that 141 top. And there were two levels to work off of, and one was the 133 right here at the open yesterday. Once it broke that level, we looked back to that 141, which was the high early on in the morning, and then you get a breakout through that level. Yeah, we had the long and the buy the dip, but it was all kinds of a breakout at this particular price. It was right as we ended the show, and we end the show. It's like a chance for Sean and I, Brendan, get a bathroom break, grab some food or whatnot. And there's an opportunity cost to that. And the opportunity cost is missing this jailbreak here on CEI. I would watch out. I'm going to slide to my 15-minute because that's what I'm going to do here. And my daily. Watch out for the post-flush top at about 175 or so. So we'll check back in, see if it goes that next quarter. I'm hanging on for that. And I do think there's probably a big flush coming at some point. Like, people are going to look to take profit after you get some dumps like have happened on the stock the last little while. So I would watch out for that. Try not to get caught. Take your profit where you can.
Yeah, thank you for that. So good little idea there on what to look out for. He also gave you a reasoning why he's thinking that way, and people after seeing that down move to on CEI based on that short report, people who bought it at $1 or under $1, once this pop happens, you can expect those guys to start taking profits and be like, man, I don't think it's gonna go all the way back up there. I held way too much on the way down. Maybe I start moving away some of my or start thinning my position a little bit. So you can start seeing that happening, and people start covering a little bit of their profits on this move up. And this could also be just being shorts, covering their positions for profit. So this could be either one of those things, or both, or all of the above happening at the same time, giving it a tandem move. And you look at that, like just in the past 30 minutes or so, we've had 100 million shares trade on this stock. So volume kind of tapered off, and now volume's picking back up. So let's see what happens on CEI here. At the moment, we did get that breakout above 150 all the way to 155, but now it looks like we're gonna come back down. A big ARCA seller on 151. He's just increasing his size over here. So look at that. I might just have to get short based off of that. So big ARCA seller on 151 there. Look at the size going. It's flashing up and it's flashing down. So that's an iceberg maybe. If he takes that off and if he spoofs that size, this could easily run up to the top side. Look how the size just disappears and keeps coming back. If that's not an iceberg, I don't know what is.
Yeah, someone says Palantir is over Viva, but also Prad. Could we take a look at DraftKings? I don't see any news, and stock is up more than 3% today. Good day for DKNG.
Let me just quickly throw out an order. And all right, did you say DKNG?
Yeah.
So I just threw out my stop on the break of the 151 based on how much size I saw there, and if it doesn't break, or sorry, if it does break that, I'm a loser and I get out for that trade. So let's see what CEI does on that aspects. But here we are on DKNG. DraftKings now coming back through 51. We got a very, very weak break of 51. We got a 7-cent break, and look at that volume candle of that 51 break, causing it for 7 cents only. If you see that big of a volume candle compared to previous volume candles, and that, oh, it looks like CEI just broke 151 and I just got stopped out, but that's fine. Anyways, DKNG, after seeing that volume candle come in and the breakout be only 7 cents or so, you got to realize like that's a weak break, and you should just hammer the short on the way down, and you would have been up almost 30 cents of the money on that short. So here we go, man. DKNG coming back down here. Maybe we go test VWAP later on in the day. Affirm coming lower. Yeah, Affirm has been coming down here for a while now off that 140. So looking to see where Affirm finds the support. I'm waiting to see if it goes back to 130, allowing me to buy that dip, buy the bottoms again, and bottom pick all the way back to the top. All right, let's go to what is it, CEI, see what the stock is doing and where I got stopped out. We are back in that same range, so I'm just gonna have to take that trade again. It's just the most logical thing to do in my mind, at least. Oh yeah, I don't have a midpoint gateway coded. Oh man, someone is taking all those shorts. So, oh, there you go. I finally got it. So we have a pool of shorts that we can have in this floor. I think it's actually for the whole company. But someone is absolutely destroying the whole pool of shorts by taking it all. So I just had to try it multiple times to get short again. And it's probably Neil, to be honest. Let's be real. Neil throws around size like a baller over here. So he's probably just eating all my size that I can't take. But luckily, I was able to get back into the short over here. What is that? Pigs getting slaughtered?
Yep.
Pigs are getting slaughtered. Oink oink. All right.
I was not expecting pig sound.
Oink oink.
Okay. Can you do like extra like they do? Beautiful. What time is it so I can make screenshot later?
You're gonna put it up on Instagram, aren't you? This girl. Oh man, that 151 broke back again. What is going on here on the stock? I'm gonna hold it a little bit longer and wait for that higher day break maybe to be wrong on this trade. I believe this is gonna go lower here based off of what we've been watching on that 151 and that 152 levels over here. The amount of size that we see around here, I'm gonna expect them to go lower, but maybe I'm wrong. Look at the volume coming in, man. Absolute monstrous volume on this stock. 153, there is some size, but they're completely taking it out. If it breaks the day's high, then I'm just gonna take the L on it and call it a day on the short side at least.
Prad, what about PALT software company? It's up more than 26% today.
Yeah, for sure. Just
no
let me do this.
You're getting down in a short?
No, I'm just throwing out a stop. All right, the stop has been sent out. It looks like I'll most likely get triggered into it right here. You said PALT.
Yeah, on NASDAQ.
All right, PALT on NASDAQ. Let's go take a look at that. 27% up for the day. And trading under VWAP. Looks like it's getting rejected around VWAP multiple times and not actually having the strength to trade above it. And you can see that with the lack of volume. So we did trend, and I got stopped out on CEI again. So CEI, clearly the shorts are not the right direction. It just wants to go higher and higher. But PALT, with volume coming off and the stock trending higher, just goes to show the weakness to the top side today, at least. Not probably not gonna have that move back to the 15s and the 14s and the 13s that people were looking for. At least not today, is my opinion. CEI, love it. Looks like everyone's eyes are just on CEI right now. Let's go see what BBIG is doing real quick before we go back to CEI. BBIG, 60 million shares traded and still not having that strength to go back to where it's VWAP and bottoming it out here around $5.50/$5.40. So let's see what it does around here. CEI, damn indeed, man. I took multiple shots here to try shorting this stock, and it didn't work out. So let's see what happens. Maybe I wait for the stock to come back through 150 to go short. Is in my mind right now. That's the question. But after that, if it keeps going higher and higher, maybe I wait till $2. I don't know. I'm still kind of debating the long here because I don't really believe in the long side. Mexico versus Canada later on tonight. What are we talking about? Valeriia, you got something?
Position alert, guys. I'm short on Tesla, and let's see where it goes. If it's gonna break VWAP to the downside, I would love to hold it until 784, but again, looks like it might be rejected and go back to the upside. So stay with me and Tesla hip hop music. Oh, it's even wearing a green short in the Tesla.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's so me. Hi, Elon Musk again.
Nice. All right. Tesla, nice little short there. Looks like market going up. I thought market was going down, but no, market is going up. But hopefully her short pays off because Tesla kind of not following the market today.
Yes,
so,
that's what I noticed.
Yeah, so let's see. Hopefully that trend continues for the beautiful Miss V here, and she ends up making some money. Money.
We need that one also.
So CEI, man, still running. Buy it, Prad. CEI. Nope, not doing it. Not FOMOing it. Not buying it. My shorts are not working, so I'm just gonna have to stay out. NEO is the future. I don't know if it's the future, but it's trying to do something futuristic, that's for sure. But here we are, man. Wow, look at that move above 36 today, holding 35 on the dip buy opportunity when it did go down there off the open or so, and beautiful long move. So NIO to the top side, while Tesla not really doing the same. Maybe for this is one of those days where we see inverse relationship in not only in Tesla in the market, but NEO and Tesla also. Prad's no FOMO moon boy, exactly. No FOMOs.
Hey Prad, I have good news. We have a new member. Nigu, thank you very much for joining our membership. Welcome to the green side, and we appreciate your support a lot. I hope you have a beautiful, positive, profitable day. And shout out to all the members, guys. We love you, and so nice to see some green on the chat. I love green color, as you can see.
Yeah, thank you for that. Welcome to the green side, as Miss V just said. It is NIO, not NEO. Potato, man. Come on. Do we really worry about what the stock is called or the ticker is called? Let's worry about where the stock is doing and how it's trading instead. MRUS was a gap and go this morning, steady downtrend. Let's take a look at it. I did see Neo type that in the chat in the morning, but I was too busy with my own Affirm trades. Didn't get a chance to pull it up. So let's take a look at it right now. MRUS with about 11 million shares traded. We are going higher here, or not. So we opened up higher around $29 or so, and then you guys see that violent move down almost to 25, and then move back towards VWAP. So a lot of flip-flop action that's been happening. But one thing that's obvious is the room to the upside is kind of dying off. By that I mean we see higher highs, higher lows and lower highs. But the pattern is not really a symmetrical wedge. It's kind of a different wedge that's being formed. So look for a breakout when that wedge happens. But it looks like it could happen to the top side, according to the pattern that I do remember. NEO is from Matrix, NIO is from China. They're both the same. They're both from the future.
Yeah, my Tesla future goes to the upside.
Oh, no.
Anyways, Nvidia, I believe we were talking about this today, but it's up around 3%. So no news though.
Nvidia up about 3%. Yeah, I updated my drivers yesterday, and it took me about a whole minute at maximum. So thank you, Nvidia, for dropping, I think, the smallest update that I've ever seen. But anyways, Nvidia, still rocking to the top side here after testing VWAP today around $2, 211.11, and now are currently testing 213. So let's see if we can hold 213 on the bids, or if 213 is going to be rejected. With the current trend in the market to the upside, which is the SPYs are going to the top side, QQQs are going to the top side, we could see Nvidia doing something similar and go to the top side. But we could also see the opposite, which is get rejected here around 213. Sean came in and said, CEI, let's go, baby. And wow, look at this. CEI, am I glad for not stepping into the shorts again and again and again. So this is one of my rules that keeps me away from losing too much, which is if I take 3 trades and all 3 times I lose on it, I just get the heck out of the way, man. Let the guys who are making the money make the money, and stop giving them mine. I took 3 tries, I took 3 losses, and that's where I move away from the trade, and I wait for a different opportunity, maybe at $2 or so. CEI left me in the dust at 139. This is what I'm trying to do too, Ron, is actually get used to holding a portion of my shares. I know with brokers that you guys have, that especially with the ones that charge you a set fee, I guess it's called fixed rate for every entry that you have. For those guys, yeah, it's going to be hard to, get in and out, and especially with PEI rule too, or PTD rule. CEI excitement, so let's throw it over to Sean.
Yo, what's up, guys? CEI today, good trade, obviously. We're still long 126. I just want to bring to everyone's attention, you have this level right here. Oh, I'm listening to some tunes right here. Good level right here, 170, 168 or so. We're at there right now, so just watch out for this. CEI, it tested back here a couple days ago, so just watch out. That's where we stopped. There was a couple stop and goes right here. So 175 or so, that's an area of concern for me. We'll probably cash this out, but right now, man, this is just what we're doing today. CEI, a great trade. Look at these longs, Prad. We shorted earlier. It's all on the sticky note, by the way. Check it out at Trader TV Sean. You can check out the sticky note. We shorted in front of 134. As soon as it broke, man, we went long. And then we said, nah, this drop is not for real. Then we loaded up the boat down here at 25 with a 20 protection. And then since then, fire! So we got some nice little bang happening over here. Thank you, Prad, for killing it with the show. What up, Ms. V, as well? How's your Tesla trade going, Ms. V?
Miss V?
Thanks for asking, Sean. Yes, here I am, short on Tesla again, but stock just hanging out on the VWAP. Doesn't break it to the downside, and I don't know, I'm waiting for the move. If it breaks 789 level, I'm out.
Let's
go. Let's see. Hopefully it will go at least to 786 level for me today, but looks strong.
So thank you, Sean, for throwing that level out for me, because I was kind of being lazy to find the level. I was gonna wait till $2, but as soon as Sean threw out that level, I said, what are you doing? Go short. And I just punched short. So as you guys can see, I punched short all the way up top here. I'm riding that move down, and I'm turning my loser stock into a positive. And that's pretty much all it takes, man. Looking at the long term, finding the level, and playing that level. That's pretty much all it takes. Having a level that you want to play off of, having a conviction, and smashing that short. So here we go to the downside. I am riding this to the downside a little bit more. I have, I think, 3/4 of my position still, if I'm doing my math right. So if it does go towards 150, I'm gonna enjoy that ride down. But it looks like we want to bounce over here. Maybe I start covering a little bit more, and I only hold half of my position.
Congratulations, Prad.
Thank you, Miss V. Positive thoughts, Prad. Always positive thoughts, my friend. Always. Ho fire? What? Did you just call me a hoe? How far? What? CEI probably going up. I mean, man, CEI's trend overall is been great. How far to the short? It's all gonna be based on price action for me. I did turn my little bit of a loser position on CEI down, so I'm shaving off the loss, and I'm now holding only half of my position to see if I can get that move, a little bit more of a bigger move downside. But if it goes back to my break even entry, I'm probably just gonna get out, right? So I'm not gonna hold it for a much longer move to the top side if it does go like I did earlier. We will destroy you shorts. Ooh. Well, lucky enough for you, our short utilization is going to be 100% because we're going to get short and be out at 4 o'clock. We are not those short sellers who are holding the position past 4 o'clock, going into months and months and months. And the utilization or the cost to borrow numbers that you guys love throwing from Ortex. We are not those guys. We are just day traders here. We are in and out of the trades multiple times throughout the day. And at the end of the day, 4 o'clock, it is mandated by the company rule that we get out of all of our trades. So you don't have to worry about our short position because you're not going to be crushing us. And at the same time, we're not going to be crushing you either. It's just the mechanic of the market.
By the way, real quick, Prad, off topic, my favorite one. So people don't understand when I say winner. Wiener. What's wrong with me saying wiener?
Because wiener it's like a food item. You know hot dogs?
Yeah.
So wiener, WIENER.
Yeah.
If I'm spelling it right, I have problems with English second language. It's a hot dog.
Okay.
So
wow, I didn't know. Wiener.
People also use that as a different term sometimes. You
Right,
know that.
and
You know that.
Also, people say that I say not VWAP but VBOP.
Yeah, VBOP. I like VBOP. We're about to hit
what
the
would
VBOP.
it be? Volume.
Weighted.
But B.
Average. Volume weighted average. What's a B? Buys? Bids?
VBOP.
Bop. Oh no, it's a B. Wait, yeah.
All right.
We gotta think of something stupid and we'll come up with it. We bopped the wiener. All right, buddies, chill out with the comments in there. Anyways, still going lower here, so yay me on the CEI short. I am now shaved off to 50% off my position, and I'm gonna try and hold that to see if we can continue going lower here, maybe back to that 140 area or so. Maybe we bounce off the 150 or the 155 area or so. Let's see what happens on don't stop her from saying Pride. No, we are going to. I have to take a I have to look after her because you guys are absolutely wild. She's innocent, and we're gonna have to protect that innocence. We're not gonna let you guys, ruin that.
I'm fine.
But here we go, man. We're still going lower on CEI, and yes, they're turning that loser into a winner here. I like it. There you go. Nice patience on CEI. Actually, no, thank you to Sean for throwing that level. I'm pretty sure you guys heard that level too, and which is 160, 170, sorry, 170 he said. And as soon as he said 170 and I saw a little bit of a red light, green light from Squid Game, as soon as I saw the red light, green light happening and the red prints just piling up, I just crossed the bids, went aggressive, punched the order. Wow, I'm actually paying fees today because of that. Mr. Never Pays Fees is currently paying fees while he's trading. So I might just have to go trade some buyouts and figure out how to turn that fees into a negative fee, start throwing liquidity onto markets. Prad has no idea. Simp King Prad, me protect you bad. Hey. Anthony, take it easy there. Take it easy. All right. Prad, bro, can you check AMD? Yeah, for sure. Arun is shaking his head at you. No. Prad, you're red light, green light, everything. So we don't pump you with theory. We got lit. All right, bro. AMD, wow. Whoa, wait a minute. We're at 107? Okay, for those who took that swing trade idea multiple times, around 100. Wow, AMD. I didn't take it again. The first time I called it out, we went up to what, 103. The second time I called it out, we are at 107. So I'm just gonna keep calling it out and not taking it. But as long as you guys are and making the money, let's go, boys. AMD absolutely killing it today. Monstrous move to the top side, almost $108 a share here. We're getting a little bit of a rejection to the top over here. Volume tapering off. We know lunchtime is kicking in, so we could see the hedgies about to go eat their Nobu sushi lunches and whatnot, and volume start tapering off a little bit. So careful for that. And the 108 break that you're looking for might not, be as fruitful as you wanted to, because I'm gonna guess AMD has already traded past this average true range ATR. Let's go see what the ATR is on this bad boy. It's $3, and yeah, we're past the ATR. We're traded $4 so far. To the moon, AMD. And yeah, man, I called out AMD was at $20 on this very floor. I was standing exactly where the bell is, and I was fighting with Gus, if you guys remember Gus, and Hunter. I don't know if you guys remember Hunter, but Gus and Hunter, I was going into argument mode with these guys saying Intel sucks, AMD's gonna take over, AMD's the new king, and of course I didn't invest in it. As always, I'm always gonna be the guy who talks about it but doesn't make a trade. I didn't do it, and that was at $20 then, and here we are at 107, man. AMD at $8. Wow, yeah, I know someone who has AMD at $2 and is still holding, so that guy is actually diamond hands. He's a definition of diamond hands. Intel chips are still better. I don't know about that. I mean, back in the day, Intel chips were better, but AMD had an overheating issue, so if you were in a colder country like Canada, it really didn't matter. But if you were in India, your chips just got fried instantly. You played a game, your chips got fried. AMD does more overall. I mean, yeah, AMD's now just taking over. They had that partnership with Apple for a little bit that had AMD chips in them, but then now Apple is creating their own chips or so. So a little bit of a market share being taken away from AMD. But yeah. Prad said, Wieners 3 times this channel is going to get demonetized.
What?
Nah, they're just joking.
Though, guys, update on my shorting Tesla. I'm out 50% of my short position. I went out at 786.50, and would be super nice to get out of other half of my position at around 784. But let's see, because doesn't look like it really want to go to the downside. And someone was writing on the chat that there are some talks that Elon Musk has a meeting about Tesla factory in Germany. So I need to look for those news more. But yes, for now it's winner for me, and not hot dog.
Tesla factory in Germany. All right, I like the sounds of that. So more Tesla cars, more factories, more money, more upside. Let's go.
Actually, I'm going to Vancouver tomorrow, and we are renting a car. Guess which one?
Tesla.
Nice. So
Let's
excited.
go. The one you like, the Model 3.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah.
Nice.
So cool. So excited.
Do you know if it's the full package or anything?
I don't know, but I'll tell you absolutely when I come back.
If
I'll make a lot of pictures in Tesla,
If it has the big engine, you're gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah,
okay. A lot of fun.
I'm super excited.
So have fun at all.
Yeah.
And guys, of course, really quick, let's go to Miss V's face, and I just want to say we're gonna miss you. How long are you going?
I'm gonna miss you too. I'm back on Wednesday.
You're back on
3
Wednesday.
days.
Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, you're gone. Tomorrow, you're gone. Okay, so yeah, guys, Miss V is gonna go have fun in Vancouver. You're in Vancouver, so maybe you can meet up with Miss V.
Yeah, just run into me.
We actually have a lot of Vancouver viewers.
I know, yeah. And guys, it's rainy. It's October. It's rain season, so it's super rainy there, and it's plus 12 now. It's even colder than in Toronto. Anyways, I know it's a very beautiful city, and I have never seen ocean, and so I'm super excited to see real ocean also. So yeah, just it's a secret who's going to be on this spot.
I don't think anyone is.
Really?
I think
irreplaceable.
Yeah, you are irreplaceable. No one can take your spot. Rob should be there.
It's gonna be interesting.
Oh God. What was I saying? make sure you take a lot of pictures because when you come back, we're gonna see them on the
Absolute-
stream. Okay, yeah.
I'll be like making pictures on the Tesla, like like cool sport cars are on the roads, and people just like make pictures on them.
Yeah.
And then like owners like beep beep.
Yeah, this is my car now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my Tesla, you broke boy.
Right. I need to make a video clip bawling on it.
Have you seen those YouTube clips where people are picking up women in cars? You're gonna go pick up guys in the Tesla.
Right. Yeah, but like, well.
All right, let's go back to CEI here. Someone asked me if I covered my CEI short, and that's gonna be a no. I'm still holding. I have no reason to close my position. I'm still up 2 pennies per share in the position. I have no reason to close it. I have an order to take more shares to get short if it goes to 170. So I have no reason to close my position, and the reasoning to close my position will happen if the stop is breaking. My stop is broken, or the stock goes towards my original entry price. So clearly we're nowhere close to my original entry. I have no reasons to sell, and I have no reasons to take profit. Over here, I did have reasons to take profit, and hence I did so. But right now, for my last little bit of a position, I'm holding 1/3 of my position, and I don't have any reason to close it. And that's how you should be thinking about your positions is, do you have an answer to why I want to close this position, or do you have answers to why I want to open this position? Send a pigeon messenger to Arun to fill in. It's going to probably take 5 days to get to Arun because it's a pigeon, so we're probably going to not have time for that. Maybe if you gave us that idea 5 days ago, we would have been able to do so.
It was super fun. Like when Facebook and Instagram fell down, like someone was writing in the comments that Arun like don't even like know about this.
Yeah.
Because the only one who like.
Arun's just I mean, of course, it doesn't even matter for him that it's down. He's like, oh, Facebook's down? Oh, okay, cool. I'm going to go back to my pager now. Doesn't even matter for him. It doesn't. GME chart yummy. Wow. I never heard someone call a chart yummy. All right, let's go to this yummy chart you're talking about. It's not really yummy in my opinion. Volume's still low. We don't really have that great volume that people love on GME, but we are above 170, but we're still below 180. Trading above VWAP, so not bad at all. Get Brando on here to trade. Ooh, not a bad idea. Let's see if Brando's down for it.
Someone says no, not Rob.
Not Rob. Oh no. Gram, big orders coming in. All right, let's go check Gram. A couple volume spikes indeed appearing up out of nowhere compared to the rest of the volume spikes that we have been watching or noticing. So you know how it's been holding around VWAP on low volume, and then it goes higher on a volume spike. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Noticing this, right? So holding the VWAP on low volume and rising up on a volume spike and breaking the support, but breaking the resistance off that level that it was trading in and going higher to test that $6 level. All good stuff. Now let's see that $6 break, go higher, and actually hold $6 on that bid, so we can keep on going higher for the next week or even for the rest of the month.
Prad, did we talk about GME yet today?
Oh, I just did. Yeah, GME's doing absolutely nothing for now.
Sorry, I was snapping.
No, you're good. You're busy with your stuff. You don't have to apologize. Come on, dude. Tell her the truth about. Okay, Wiley. No, we're not gonna go there. I think you should close because I am bullish. That's a good reason. I like that reason. What's up?
Nothing.
I thought you went to. Am I tripping? I think I'm high. Did you go to the blue screen or did you not?
I did.
Okay, so I'm not high. Okay, good. Because, being high at work is a bad thing.
Brad, do you have a favorite mining stock?
Mining stock?
Yes.
Oof, no. No, that's got to be a no.
Mining, it's not a crypto?
Oh, crypto mining? I thought you meant like a mine, like a gold mine or...
Oh, so I don't know. Well, let's ask...
Like a crypto mining stock?
Team PJCT, please clarify if
Yeah.
you mean like mining crypto or mining like digging those
yeah.
holes.
I thought like digging holes
Yeah,
in like
well,
gold and whatnot.
I don't know, but like that is Cardano if it's crypto, right?
Yeah, I mean, it has to be either Cardano or Bitcoin because those are the only two I'm invested
Bitcoin,
in.
one love.
Yeah. So the people are looking real hard to give me a reason to close my short on CEI here. But yeah, we're still holding our short over here. Prad, don't get fired. I'm trying my best not to, guys. Crypto mining stocks. Yeah, so cryptocurrency stocks. So in terms of cryptocurrency stocks, I don't think I have one favorite. Overall, I'll trade them all as long as crypto keeps going up or down or whatever, because my what's it called, my barometer, is that the word I'm looking for? My barometer is barometer the thing that you use to gauge? Anyways, I hope it is. The gauge that I have for cryptocurrency stocks is the overall cryptocurrency market. So if crypto is going up or crypto is going down, I'm going to short Mara, Riot, SOS, or I'm going to go long Mara, Riot, and SOS. So I don't really have a favorite in terms of that. Gauge air pressure, yeah. So it is for gauging pressure. Yeah, cool, perfect, awesome. I kind of felt stupid for a second using the word barometer, but I hope I was right. Here we go. CEI going back towards this 170s area. Looks like a little bit of a worry now that the reason is going to be giving to me to close my position. Looks like, and let's see if 170 breaks. If it does, we might just have to get out of our position here to the top side. Looks like 170 did not break, and they did not give me more shares on 170. So I'm still holding, but I do see size on 168. I do see size on 168. Let me check Baracko bull meter. What the? Told you about to get a reason. I mean, yeah, it's for sure making a reason over here, and I just got my last few bits of shares. Let's see if it's gonna break, and it looks like it wants to. Here comes the 170 break. Now we're getting that 171. Oh boy, CEI is heating up. All engines strapped up and ready to take off. Looks like we're going to have to hold this a little bit longer. Let's see if 175 fails. Yes, it did. So I'm holding it a little bit longer. Let's see 169 fail now. Might just have to take a little bit more shares based on what I'm seeing. And I have to. Yep, I just did. We took a little bit more short based off that weak 170 long side. Let's see how much lower we can go here off this 170.
Hey guys, I'm out of my Tesla position. And again, where is my Tesla? Here we go. So it hardly touched the level of 686. Looks like it was support level for this. It really doesn't want to go to the downside. Well, it's still a good positive trade for me. So I'm just out because honestly now I don't know where Tesla could go, but that's it. I'm happy. Profitable day for me. 2 nice short trades on Tesla.
Let's go, Valeriia. Nice little shorts on Tesla over there. And I'm kind of struggling with my shorts here on CEI. We're still in the money, though. But let's see if we can go back lower. I did take some out on 166 or so. Still holding, and might get back in if 170 shows me some size. But CEI looks like 170 wall is broken. Yeah, it did break 170. Went above 172 for a slight bit, and notice how there's not real trading above 170. It's just a little wicks above 170. So if it's properly trading above 170, I might just get out of my short. But I'm not seeing that right now. Once it did go above 170, a lot of weakness started coming back into the trade. So of course that made me hammer that short back into it. And now I'm just I'm scaling my position out a little bit, scaling in and out. Doing both ways, trying to see if I can haggle my price to get a better short price to get that move towards maybe VWAP or even 150 or so. But with the current strength in the stock, we could go higher easily, and my short could be burnt. So be careful if you're short with me. I'm very quick with my exit because we have a platform that allows us to use hotkeys and so on. So I can get in and out really quick, and if you can't do so, you should be careful. So look at this right now. We're seeing that size on 170 act as a barrier again, and it really didn't print 170 on the offer. It went lower from having 170 on the offer. So that's showing me a little bit of a weakness still. But once again, be ready to punch out for a loser if you're short. Be ready. It can happen, right? Just took a big risk on JYNT. 1 million shares traded. So let's see what type of risks you're talking about. Wow, 76 to 85 on almost no volume. So let's see if it's actually going to hold up around those levels and stay there, or maybe it comes back down. Cojones have them own gravity. And that is 100% right. Them cojones, boy, they do their own thing sometimes, and you don't even know about. CEI did break 170 now. Let's see if we can get some 170 prints, or if it's gonna go back under 170. If it goes back under 170, then, you know, of course shorts are out. We're getting some trading here above 170 and actually eating out the offers, looks like. So we might just go higher here on CEI. We flying for CEI. Yes, yeah, CEI is for sure flying here. I'm holding it a little bit longer because, you know, I did shave away most of my position here, as you guys can see. So the portion that I'm holding it's not significant enough to burn me anymore if this move does end up being significant. So you know, I'm just looking for opportunities to get back in short at a better price. Looking for weaknesses. Look at that. Looking for weaknesses and looking to get back short in better prices or so for CEI, because I don't think this is going to sustain itself over here, and I'm looking for that big flush to the downside, and I want to have a good enough of a size for that downside. So what I'm going to keep on doing is called churning. I don't know if it's the actual term coined for it, but this is a term that Greg uses to explain to me what I should be doing, and that's basically getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, washing the spread, and maybe even collecting fees with liquidity. Churn, and try to end up with a different, you know, a better average price for that short, and at the end of the day still have a out for your exit. So now I have a pretty decent size again, where it could you know, be a little painful for if it breaks up too much to the top side. So of course got to be careful now. Like churning butter. Yeah, churn, exactly. A better price is back at 3. Really? Wow. So CEI, wow, here we go, where we're getting that move, and little bit of size on 175 here. Is if 175 breaks, that's going to be my final out, complete out on the stock. Size is increasing on 175 right now, as you guys can see. Look at the amount of bats orders, and everything is just being printed on 173. So I'm just going to try crossing the bids here and try getting short 175-ish or so, and build that position before that. And my final out, of course, if 175 breaks, I don't want to be holding this longs anymore. And look at the size on 172 now. So buyers are really battling over here with the shorts, and I want to battle with them. So piling back in on the short. 70s are getting taken out a little bit, holding, and we want to see what really happens at 75 now, because there was a big seller at 75 holding the gates. Everyone hold your CEI long and let this go to $2. Yes, sir. The CEI long to $2 looks to be very close and possible based off the move today. If you guys saw the morning show, I think Neil and Sean had the longs off of 130-ish, if I remember. So, you know, they're smoking the longs right now, absolutely, and killing it.
I actually wanted to show you something. BlackRock Trader Group tweeted that MEMES and movers are trading AMC, GME, AFRM, CEI, TLRY, SDC,
what the
Tesla,
heck is
and it's a little hamster. I spy. That's so sweet. Thank you very much, guys, for tweeting us, also attaching the link. Spread the word so more traders can find about our beautiful trading community, BlackRock Trader Group. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you for that. Keeping an eye on CEI here. We're still battling that 175 area, so I'm piling in more short, but, you know, really ready to punch out once 175 starts printing just like that. So 175 is gone, and now we're gonna go start flying the top side, and I'm gonna expect that $2 now coming in anytime soon. The next shot that I'm gonna take is maybe around $2, or if any level or size that I see, I'm gonna instantly try to take that shot around those levels, just trying to get my order keys ready to do so. All right, once $2 comes into play for CEI, be ready ready to see if that comes to downside. But right now, look at the volume, man. Absolute crazy momentum to the top side, breaking every single level on offers and heading up. Boom, boom, boom. Prad, you could have been long around 150, you bear. I know. I just don't like playing the short squeeze plays, so I just have to stick to my mentality a little bit in terms of that. So I have to be a bear. But, clearly the longs are winning, man. The longs are absolutely destroying it right now. So the Prad bear emote has been played. But, yeah, it is... it's happening. The longs are smoking it right now. We're taking out the 180. We're going higher. Let's see the $2 into action. One drop in the paper hands will sell CEI. Well, that's probably what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting for that drop to happen so I can just pile in and just ride it to the downside. They don't got diamond hands. I mean, they did for a long time if you think about it, but then as soon as that drop happened off of that $4 or so, the diamond hands completely disappeared. So you're not wrong about that. mRNA joins Denmark and Sweden in rejecting it. Time to short again at 315. It's oversold. All right, wow. So mRNA, a little bit more bad news, I guess, coming from Jude Fernando. Thank you for that update. AMC levels for the day.
CEI looking stronger than Drake's eyebrow fur.
So Drake's eyebrow. Wow. Okay. So AMD, these are the levels that you can see: 37.95 as a support and 38.72 as a resistance. CEI going parabolic. Indeed, Prad shorting CEI isn't good look right now. Yeah, CEI is it's for sure just rocking to the top side. I tried getting short at that 170 level, which was a key level, but right now we're above it. So I'm looking for the next key level, which is around $2, I believe. Let me quickly go over there. It should be at 187 apparently, according to a line that I drew. So let me just quickly pull back and see where that line comes from on the 1 minute or on the one month chart, not 1 minute. So 187. Let's see. We're pretty much near there, so we're not too far from 187, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna expect that flush to come in very soon for CEI. There it is. That's the size I was looking for. That's the size I was looking for on that number. Now let's go lower. The offers are actually following it down if you see it. So that's the size that I'm looking for on the offers. And look at the volume on the bid, just smashing it to the downside. This is the volume that Prad needed, and we're completely back into the green because I took 3x the size that I was taking originally on this trade. So now we're gonna start weaning off some of the position here, start realizing the money before it starts going back against us. Because CEI with the crazy momentum, anything is possible, and it could completely run back up to screw me over, and that's not gonna be fun if it does so. So right now I'm just taking off a little bit positions on the way down on CEI towards the 170 or so. My average price was around 180, and going back there is not gonna be a good look for me. CEI high 180 was a good move. Yeah, crazy move to the top side off that 150 long. Tyrone Biggums called it out. Some of you guys called it out. But, of course, the Bear Prad had to be Bear Prad and play short side. Still trying to take out some shares here and there, trying to finesse my orders, trying to take out profits. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at the amount of size we just saw on 180 there, and it's actually following it down. I might have to punch a little bit more shares here short just based off what I'm witnessing here. Let me just quickly, I'm messing up my order shares, or I'm just not getting filled. I'm just not getting... Oh, there we go. Finally, I got filled. Let's go lower here. The size on the offer is following it down. So as you guys saw, the size was originally at 180s, and then that size just went all the way down with it to 177, and it's actually following it down still. So if that's not obvious short for me. I don't know what is, so I'm just gonna have to start taking more profits along with that move down here, and just completely scalp monster demon scalp algo style trade it. Follow, look at the size coming down and play with the price action. We're playing red light, green light. This is Squid Game.
Nice song.
That's how it goes. It goes like that. I don't know exactly how the lyrics goes, but there's some song goes along something along those lines. So I'm just completely pressing so many keys right now. You'd think I'm playing a video game because I'm just smashing every single order key that I had and just going off over here. Took out a little bit more there on CEI on the way down, and I'm going to try and hold 50% of my position here to my exit. Maybe not. Maybe I'll take away a little bit more based on this price action that I'm seeing. So it looks like it wants to still play around 180, and I don't want that to happen. I don't like that view of it to be around here. When you take the last sip of coffee, is there grounds in it? I don't drink coffee. Haha, I don't like coffee. I'm not a coffee guy.
Today is the National Frappe Day. Shout out to Starbucks. Oh my god, they have the best frappuccinos. Java chip chocolate cream, I love that one. And strawberry ones also are so good. So yeah, Oreo ones, I don't know, frappuccinos are the best. And yeah, the first comment in our chat today is what you said. You coffee?
Yeah, I don't drink coffee.
I like coffee. Go coffee.
I like caffeine, like flavored caffeine, but I've never been a coffee guy. I just never drank coffee, I guess. But flavored caffeine, G Fuel, if you want to sponsor me, I'm here. You can holler at your boy. I would love some G Fuel. MEMES on GME? Well, I don't know what that means, but only true squeeze you goons with CEI. All right, so yeah, a little bit of a squeeze happening over here. They're squeezing me for sure. I was short around 170 or so. They squeezed me a little bit to the top side, turned my stock into a red stock. But we're still battling the short. Not like we got out of it. We got back in around these highs and got out at the bottom over here. Now we're just churning our position to keep on getting a better average, so when that drop eventually happens, it goes all the way down. Mother of all short squeezes. Oh, that's right, I have heard that word before. I mean that term before. I just forgot the abbreviation. MOASS. Yes, that's right, I remember it now.
Are you still in position?
Yeah, I'm still in position. I'm holding this bad boy.
Okay.
You think Trader Prad is giving up an opportunity like this? This is a make or break type of trade for me, and I'm okay risking my whole day on this type of trade because I really do believe that the downside is very, very near once the volume tapers off and the buyers are gone and the down move happens. It's gonna be a very violent down move. So I'm still I'm still waiting for that flush to happen to VWAP. Valeriia, you have anything?
No, I'm just sleeping on Tesla, guys. Again, doing nothing. I believe this is the new support level for Tesla today, and I'm just waiting if it's gonna break it to the downside or back to the upside. But I'm pretty sure that a move gonna happen anytime soon. And again, if we take a look at the close yesterday, it was around 782. So maybe it will try to, how you were saying that strategy when like gap strategy.
Gap fill?
Yeah, gap fill strategy. But I don't think that Tesla will dip that much today either. I don't think it's gonna go to 800 again. We'll see.
So yeah, I'm just absolutely trying to do my best over here to get an average above the 180s, and so preparing for that drop to happen. But guys, once again, I'm just gonna have to keep on reiterating, like, this stock is so strong to the top side today, and if it wants to go higher, it could very easily do so. So don't just take entries based on what someone on YouTube or someone is doing. be ready to take your own trades and your own ideas. For me, my idea is on the short side, and I have the opportunity to get in and out trades multiple times for very cheap, and do so very quickly because of hotkeys and so on. And I know most of you don't have that ability or access to do so. So if you are short with me, be careful, man. It could easily go higher and burn you. So don't just blindly follow people either on the long side or the bottom side. Whoa!
Big Moo, shout out. Big Moo sent us 100 super chat and saying love the show, love the vibe, love the peeps, at least most of them. Okay, hopefully both of us are in your love list. Lunch is on me if they give you a break. Jeff, thank you very much, Jeff. We appreciate your support and your generosity. I hope you're having a great profitable day. You deserve it, and we're super happy that you're so nice and shared this with us, and we can go eat sushi.
I haven't had sushi in so long.
Yeah, let's go eat sushi. Thank you, Jeff.
It's a date?
We love you. Today, I'm going to Vancouver tomorrow. I need to get
She didn't
ready.
get it. She didn't get it. Anyways, moving
Poor
on.
Jeff.
Oh, Valeriia.
You gave me malaria.
I said it's a date.
A day?
I tried. Whatever. But yeah, thank you, dude. That's awesome. Thank you for that awesome super chat. Wow, that's I think that has to be the Memes and Movers' top super chat so far.
Yes,
Right?
absolutely.
Yeah, Memes and Movers' top super chat goes to Jeff. Big Moo. You're amazing,
Should
dude.
we do
Like
a
it.
big moo? Moo.
There you go. You have it. Big Moo. It's not AMC. CEI is coming down still, and I'm still holding more than half my position because I had to churn a lot back up top here, and we're waiting for that big drop to happen. And there you go. That's a little bit of a drop that I wanted. Keep on going to the downside so we can start taking profits on this bad boy, and that would be nice to do so on CEI. We want that short all the way down. Short Prad, good choice. Sushi, yes sir. Sushi is the best. Friend zoned, yeah, I know. She didn't get it, bro. I asked her twice.
And actually,
asked
it's
her
funny.
twice.
I have problems sometimes with English.
Yeah.
And I literally I'm not being so natural at that, Like
I know,
I'm like
I know.
I just literally
I
I don't
know.
understand sometimes.
I know. I said it's a date. You know what a date is?
No, yeah, of course I know what date is.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
well, I'm going to Vancouver. You know.
Before you go on to Vancouver with your boyfriend, let's go on a
Right,
sushi
on
date
a
with
date,
me.
right?
Yeah.
Great. Well, only if,
Let's go on a sushi date.
do you mind if my boyfriend will join us?
A little.
Yeah.
A little, yeah.
Okay.
Prad wants Valeriia in his new world. I invited her to play games with me. I told her if you want to come play Tarkov and teach me Russian, you're welcome to. But she's too busy flying in helicopters.
It was a plane.
Oh, or planes, sorry. She's too busy flying in planes, in actual life planes. She doesn't want to fly in a video game where I offered her. She wants to go fly in real life. So, her loss. I'm going to go fly in a simulation world instead while she can keep doing everything in the real world like a loser.
Well, maybe I'm already in a Tarkov and killing you all the time, but just not telling
Is
you
that
about
why I'm
this.
dying all the time?
Yeah, maybe.
It's Valeriia sitting across the map with the sniper and just taking my heads out.
And you come here, tell me all those secrets, and I come back home like, all right, thanks for telling. Kill.
Wow. All right, no more secrets for Valeriia, guys. No more secrets. Prad Big Matt, he wants Miss V to wear his shirt. Okay, bro, take it easy. No one's taking my shirts anymore for a good time. Listen, these oversized hoodies are going to be mine and mine only. I just dropped a little toy that I was playing with, so no more fidget toy for me. Anyways, what do we have? 12. Okay. What's the top for CEI? I'm guessing the top for CEI is somewhere around here. Look at we've been noticing a lot of size on the offers around 180, 185, and 188. So I've been getting short around these prices, expecting the drop to happen anytime soon. But the volume and the strength on CEI is a lot. So look at the size on 182 just now. There is some big seller around these levels from 180 to 190. Ooh, I'm hiccuping. Around 180 to 190, stopping the stock to go higher, and I'm just front running him a little bit. So be careful of that guy getting taken out if you are short. But if you are long, look for that guy to still exist and act as a barrier. And he's a big barrier right now, right? He's not letting you guys go higher. So watch for that guy around, what is that, 183? Yeah. Signal is going down. What happened? Is WhatsApp hacking Signal now? Is it's WhatsApp forcing Signal to take down?
Prad, Tesla is going to the downside. I
Oh,
wish
no.
I would hold more because I was short right here. And again, as you guys taught me to split up my exits, I split it 50-50. But next time I'll try to maybe like do differently, like 50 here, 25 here, and what left for the other one. But look at Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla, that was a pretty violent down move because the QQQs aren't even going that hard to the downside. So not sure what exactly is going on. Yeah, something strange going on QQQ. Let's go check NIO, NEO, and you know what? I'm just gonna say both just to mess with everyone and just to incite anger inside every one of you who thinks one way is right than the other. So you know, I'm just gonna add fuel to the fire every day by saying both ways, Neo, Nio. All right. Anyways, Neo, Nio is you know, kind of coming down a little bit, but not as you know, violently as Tesla is right now. So not sure what's going on in terms of this way, but you know, it is getting rejected and VWAP is not holding. But 780, we know 780 is a good long spot for Tesla. So let's see how it behaves around there. Let's go CEI. Let's still holding under 180. So good stuff for me at least. And getting rejected by 180. I actually had an order to get more shares short at 180, and they didn't want to give it to me. So it looks like when that happens, usually it's a good thing. When you have an order sitting passively on a level that was printing and you don't get filled, that means usually it could mean that the stock is going in your direction. Is usually what that could indicate. So hopefully this keeps on going lower here. The guy on 170 or 172 or wherever he was, somewhere down there, he's not gatekeeping me, and if he is, I'm gonna be very angry at him because you know, get out of my way. I have someone else better than you at a way better price above 180 holding you on the downside. So let's go. About to break 180. We already broke 180 multiple times. That's not the level that we're looking for. 183 is where the size is. Justin, big BBIG, yeah, sure. Oh shit, what did I just do? I just threw out an order without even knowing. Oh man, whatever. All right, BBIG. Okay, BBIG, here we are. Still trading around 5.4. You know, look at the lack of volume. Looks like all the volume is now directly being fueled into CEI and no. Oh my god. CEI coming but lower and lower here. I just saw my unrealized, and little quick tip. Don't look at your unrealized. Never look at your unrealized. If you have your unrealized, whoa, here's the down move that I needed. Let's go CEI, boys. Where's my reasons to close? Here's my reasons to close. In the money, in profit territory, not for losers. My reasons are winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. As the morning show guys say it. In the money, shorts paying off. Let's go.
Let's
still
go.
holding a good portion of my trades over here. Show's almost ending, but Prad's making moolah, baby. Let's go. CEI, where the noise at? Where's the noise at? But yeah, here we go, man. CEI continue going lower, 180 to the top side, acting as a barrier. There was size at 183, following it down to 180, all the way downside, and we saw that. If that's not pure, you know, signs of short, of just taking that short and just smashing it, I don't know what is. And now I'm holding a very small size of my trade. Actually, I'm just gonna shave that off too, just so I could, you know, only hold a little bit where I don't have to worry about it. Now I'm holding in a size where it does not even matter to me anymore, right? Done. We're done with our trade. Prad printing cheddar. We're printing not only cheddar, we're printing Swiss, we're printing Parmigiano, we're printing every kind of cheese out there, baby. Gouda cheese. I don't. Is that what it said? We're printing cash, cheese, stacking them layer by layer. You can call me Pringles today. All right,
Okay.
let's do it.
Pringles, Trader Pringles.
What is halt price? It needs to drop 10% in 5 minutes, I believe, to halt. So we're not there just yet.
Okay, let's go quickly to Sean, Trader Pringles.
Trader Pringles.
No, slow down on the Parmesan talk, my friend over there. But yeah, no, great trade. Make that cheddar. And I mean, CEI, again, we identified these levels for you over and over again. So good job on Prad. And look, don't worry about it. Some people are going to be long, some people are going to be short, and it's just everyone can make money on these trades. The important thing that Prad's trying to do, and Neil and myself, Brendan, is just look at some of these past levels, right? I mean, to me, there's no surprise that we stopped there at about 180, but if you took some profits up to 187, absolutely nothing wrong with that. I mean, some good trades happening right over there right now. I just want to bring up one more trade here just for people. Ford, if you liked it, we're up at 15 and we just faded off 15 right here. So we've been shorting Ford. I think it's going to be pulling back a little bit here. Nice move up on the 20 minute, just rejected 15, 6%, 5.5% up for Ford is a nice one. So we'll say what's up to that. And yeah, good job today, Prad. One day I'll pass this off to you, buddy. This is the trophy. Let's go.
That's a nice little trophy. I always wondered what that trophy was for, but now it makes sense. Let's go. So that's for a good winning trade. And
I think this could be your trophy.
no, thank you.
Okay.
Notice how fast
Rejected.
my face. Yeah, notice how fast my excitement and everything just went whoop. No, thank you. None of that Vegemite stuff for me. The pros are back. Yes, indeed. The Sean and Neil, the pros will be back later today around 3 o'clock. So if you want to stick around till then, of course, you can't stick around till then. What am I saying? We do end our show in the next 12 minutes, sadly. But Miss V, Sean, Neil, Brandon, they all come back around 3 o'clock or so for the closing show.
Even 3:00
3:00
p.m. Eastern Time. We are back for our afternoon show. And guys, so many nice comments and feedback on the chat. And we got our biggest in the whole history of memes and movers super chat. Hello, Jeff. We love you. And Piccolo San says, love the show. You deserve more likes. We agree. We deserve more likes. So, guys, please be kind. Spend less than a second. Smash the like button. And we appreciate any support, any kind words. And the fact that you're here trading with us, we're super glad and happy to have such a great trading family. This world needs more traders.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, the amount of people I try to convert into trading is actually ridiculous. Maybe I should stop because these people are just trying to tell me to just shut up these days. So, but yeah, I always agree. I think we could use more traders because more volatility, more volume, more fun for everyone involved into it.
600 likes.
See, Valeriia? See? What did I say?
It's because
when
of your
I
great...
do it, maybe like 100, but when Miss V
but
does
you're
it,
great at trading. Look at your CEI trades.
maybe one good trade, man. That's all it is.
Clap.
One good trade. You out here catching bottoms and tops every day.
I trade Tesla every day because like I feel like
But
I know
that's fine,
Tesla's
though,
so
Valeriia.
good.
That's fine. Trust me. If you master a stock like Tesla, and you know how it moves on a day-to-day
Yeah.
basis, and you have the supports, you have the resistances, you know exactly what the stock does, and you come every day and you just play those
Yeah.
levels, you don't need anything more than that.
Well, yeah.
You literally don't need anything more than that. What do you think Arun does? He comes in every day, and what does he trade?
Yes.
Futures.
Futures.
He knows futures so well now because
Yeah.
he's been trading it every day. His eyes are
True.
only on one thing and one thing, futures, right?
Yeah.
He knows every single level, on the bottom, on the top, in the middle. He knows how to read it. He knows how futures move. He knows how futures move month by month, by year. And if you form that skill,
Yeah.
Valeriia, you'll kill it. You'll absolutely kill it.
I wish to buy Tesla for money, with money from trading Tesla.
Yeah.
Would be cool. Okay, thank you, Prad.
Prad is fire. He needs a smoke break to chill. Oh, Prad's gonna get a smoke break at 4 o'clock anyway, so don't you worry about it. Prad is mansplaining. What is mansplaining? Is that just explaining what?
I don't know.
She's inspired now. No, she's a good learner, man. She learns really quick and she's a quick learner and she's good. Like she listens. She's a good listener. She's a good learner. Everything.
Oh,
And that's
thank
why
you.
she's killing this fucking. No,
And you're what?
my bad.
You said-
I used a bad word there. That was my bad.
But you're a great teacher,
Yeah,
actually.
you're
And
killing these trades.
you explain really, how to say clearly, like no behind anything.
What do you mean?
Like the way you explain, as for me, for example, especially like when sometimes, like for example, now I don't speak English.
Yeah.
Like you explain everything very good in details and simple language. That's what I like.
That's because we
language.
both have the same problem, which is our English is our second language. So using that as our barrier issue, it kind of helps us
It's our excuse.
gel with each other.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
I'm kind of upset that I couldn't hold my CEI position longer, man. Here we go. We're breaking 160 to the downside. Maybe now we start looking for the longs, the 130 long, and this is the short that I've been waiting for, and I'm kind of upset that I didn't have the willpower or the strength or whatever the word you want to use to hold for the down move. I did say I want to hold it to VWAP. I did not end up doing so, and I'm kind of unhappy right now. But you know what? That is the beauty of this job. You're never right about it. You could always take a better exit. You could always take a better entry, and you could always not take the loss to begin with. So on that note, we just have to take that money and call it a day on CEI and just wrap it up for now at least, because we're going into 1 o'clock. I don't want to be into trades from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock and maybe around 3 o'clock, maybe if volume starts picking back up on CEI. Well, not picking back up. The volume's already there. So, if the volume continues to exist on CEI at around 3 o'clock or so, I'll look for that long trade. But honestly, I'm going to be brutally honest. I don't believe in the long on this stock based off of that short report, based off of what I've been reading on Reddit, on Wall Street Bets. Any Wall Street bet stock these days, I'm just not really enthusiastic about as I was in terms of GME and AMC. So when I'm not enthusiastic about those Wall Street bet tickers, I can't pull myself to think on the long side. So I'm just gonna have to wait for a little bit to see what the stock does around 130, and maybe see if it actually holds there to go long. But to go short, I'll be ready to go short any day. And Miss V can smash that button for me over here. Here it comes. There you go. I'll be ready to go short any day on stocks like these where there is no real good news on it.
Canon Chiu says first time watching Prad, LMAO, already liking him. That's sweet. Thank you very much we're so glad you found out about our channel. Guys, please share with your friends and everyone you know and post it on social media and we will retweet. And by the way, real quick, I could hold that short trade longer, but anyways, Tesla is back to the upside now. Broke VWAP, so yeah, I'm glad that
it is
maybe
so strange seeing what Tesla is doing, because the market's not doing anything close to it.
Yeah, I know.
So really wondering why Tesla dropped like that and then why it picked back up like that. So it's so strange.
It's just, maybe it's just a chill day for Tesla.
It was algorithms, maybe. Who knows?
I don't know. It was running for past 3 days.
Yeah,
like crazy.
Yeah. It's been going crazy indeed. Elon Musk's baby, as I forget who the username, but you always call it, no Mobo. He always comes into chat and he goes, how is Elon's baby doing? And Tesla, man, just kind of irrational moves today. Tesla is its own market. Yeah, that's for sure. Damn right, man. Tesla is its own god market. Look at that Tesla car rolling through. They see me rolling. They hate it. All right. Quickly, we got 5 minutes left, so if you guys have any tickers you want to throw at me before going into the end of the show here, feel free to just throw some stocks out. In the meantime, let's recap our favorite meme stock, AMC. AMC still holding above VWAP and holding above 38, so not bad at all. Good little update for AMC, especially today with the overall market being up. So nice move to the top side. You guys wanted Wish to be covered. My overall outlook on Wish is still negative, even though we got this move up today. This move up today means almost nothing to me. I'm gonna be honest, and that's purely because I don't believe in the company overall. the Chinese products, well, not Chinese products. I shouldn't say Chinese products, but I should say knockoff products. The knockoff products that they have on their website, or not the website, on their platform, does not make me excited about using their platform. So until they figure out how to do that, I'm not gonna be an investor. But you gotta be early sometimes. You gotta either be early, you gotta either be smarter, or you gotta cheat. This is taken from the movie Margin Call, if I'm not wrong. So if you believe that somewhere down the road, Wish regulators or the people who run Wish are gonna come in and be like, all right, we gotta stop a ban on all these knockoff products. We gotta regulate the products. We gotta see if our products are even actually what they claim they are. And if they end up regulating and all that, and if you believe that they're actually gonna do that, then this is your opportunity to buy, because you're gonna be first. You're not gonna be last. You're gonna be first, and you're gonna be smarter because you were first. But if you don't believe that's gonna happen, and if you're in my type of mindset where you're gonna wait for them to change their behavior, wait for them to change their products, wait for a lot of things to change on how the company does so, then you can play the news or buy the rumor when things are changing. In terms of me, but if you want to be first, you can buy it right now and be ready for that change happening in the future.
Hey, Prad, I have a very important question from Guy at Lax to you and to all our Trading TV family. Best snack during trading, raisins or goobers? I go for goobers because I don't like raisins and I like nuts.
What is a goober?
It's nuts covered in chocolate.
Oh, okay.
And raisins, it's raisins covered in chocolate. What do you go for?
I'm gonna have to go with nuts.
Me too.
Yeah, raisins and chocolate are okay, but I don't know. I can't eat too many of
and
it.
I hate when catering put raisins in our salad.
I like
have
them.
I don't like
You don't like
raisins.
them?
Yeah, I hate raisins.
But yeah, raisin chocolate, no. But raisin nuts, yeah. Almond nuts,
so good.
Ooh, yeah.
M&M's.
Of course.
I'm sure.
Of course. Funnily enough, funnily is not a word. So funny enough, I was looking at Halloween costumes.
Okay.
And I was looking for M&M costumes, like
Really?
like a big M circle.
Yeah.
I was looking for. I couldn't find any.
We need to really.
I couldn't
oh my
find
God!
any.
Why would we even think?
I was looking for a red and a. Is this red and yellow?
Yes,
Yeah.
I look for it, but I think if we get those big. Bubbles, M&M's, we won't be able really to see it. I will look something for us, maybe we can wear on head.
Some of them fold here. Yeah, but I saw what I did see is I saw a shirt, just a simple shirt.
Yeah.
With the red M&M and a simple shirt with the yellow M&M on it.
That's sweet. We should be M&M's
We'll think about something.
100%.
We'll think of something.
And it's just 1 minute left.
Yeah, so Wish, I gave you guys my Wish outlook. Anything else? Knockoff wieners. Yeah, knockoff wieners indeed on Wish, man. Can't be buying knockoff wieners. You gotta buy original, authentic wieners from I don't know, Costco, Kirkland, maybe. I don't know. But yeah.
Killed the show, Dan Mucklesuck. Thank you very much. Brian James, Super V, like Superman. Well, Super V, Superman. We will be super M&M's. There is a green M&M's actually, and it's a lady. I believe it's a mint M&M's, but we don't have it in Canada.
I didn't know that. Okay, I didn't know that at all.
I would love to try it.
Yeah, mint M&M. I didn't know that. All right.
Well, it's 1 p.m. Eastern. Guys, I hope you had a wonderful trading day so far. It's not ended yet, so it's full of opportunities for you, and I wish you luck. Come back at 3:00 p.m. Eastern to trade the close with Neil, Sean, and Brandon. We love you. Smash the like button. Last words? M&M Prad.
Yeah, thank you for coming by. We will see you tomorrow. I guess we won't, because someone's leaving me to go have a date night with her boyfriend in a whole different province. So
Vancouver, BC, I'm coming. Here come.
Have a great time, Miss V.
Thank
we will see you
you
when you're back on Wednesday.
Thank you. Right, I forgot totally. Yes, guys, I'll see you on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Don't miss me too much.
Yeah.
But please miss me.
And we can't wait to see those Tesla pictures that you're gonna bring and everything else. You have a
Absolutely.
great time, guys. You guys have a great time too. Thank you for coming by. From the beautiful Miss V, from me, same time, same place, 11 a.m. Adios. Paka paka.
Paka paka. High five.
I forgot.
Oh,
I
no.
almost. We need an emo for this. High five.
High five. Bye.
Paka paka, guys.
Paka.